So today we will talk about laser hair reduction or laser hair removal. What is laser hair reduction? Here we are removing the hair, which is mainly the unwanted hair from the body parts, which will be usually a permanent solution. So coming to laser reduction indications, it is indicated mainly in patients who face hirsutism, that is excess male patterned hair growth in the face, or it might be any other areas like chest, back, underarms, or entire face or the thighs areas. This is mainly seen in female patients. Coming to male patients who have unwanted hair on their beard line, or also they want to get rid of their hair from their chest or back, can undergo the laser hair reduction. So laser hair reduction, is it permanent or not? So when we are doing a laser treatment, we usually evaluate a patient according to their hormonal setup. If a female patient having any hormonal issues, or obviously will require multiple sessions, also they need to be regulated on their hormone levels. But if any other patient who just wants to get rid of their unwanted hair, can get it done, and it will be always permanent. In males, it will require more sessions as the hair are very thicker and they are darker. And now coming to what type of hair acts well with the laser hair reduction. When we study hair, it usually the black thicker hair which acts better with the laser hair reduction, because this laser machine usually works on the melanin pigment that is situated in the bulb of the hair. So it is going to target the pigment. So that's why the darker the hair, the better the results, and very difficult to treat the white hairs. So in laser machine, we have got fast mode and there's a free mode. Coming to fast mode, here we are doing it for the entire body surface areas. Like in females, they can go for the chest, abdomen, or even the back, both the hands and the limbs, even the genital areas. In males, it's mainly for the chest, back, and if they require, they can get for their hands. In males, even for the beard line, we use the fast mode. Coming to the free mode, this is mainly used for patients who are having very excessive hair growth on the face. This gives better results when we are doing it on the face, and here we are giving one single shot. In case of fast mode, we are doing it in a regular pace, and that has to be done on the large surface area. So we'll now start with the laser hair reduction in a patient who is having excessive hair on her face, and that's why she's getting the treatment done. So we'll start with the procedure. First, we will start marking the area which we are going to treat it. There's one single strand, so we will mark it only that area. Then once we tilt the face, you can see there is excess hair growth here, so we'll mark here. Now here also. Okay, once we mark the area, we are going to shave it. Once we have shaved this area, we will use a micropore to remove whatever excess hair which has been fallen down on the skin. We'll re-examine the area. If anywhere the hair is remaining, then again we'll shave it off. Mark it again. Always compulsory to make the patient wear this protective eyewear so that they don't face any side effects because of the laser. So once the patient is comfortable, we will tilt the patient face to one side. Then we will also be wearing a goggle. Then we'll put some gel on the patient face so that it will give a cooling effect and also doesn't cause any burn to the patient. We'll start with the procedure. It's completely painless. Patient will be continuously feeling the cooling effect. As you can see, there is frosting happening here. That's why, because the tip is highly cooled, so patient will not feel any pain. So we are done with the procedure. You can see there will be icing of the tip. That is because the tip is very cool. So patient won't be feeling any pain because of the icing of the tip. So patient will not even find any burning sensation or also the warmness because of the cool tip. And patient will not wince even once when we are doing the procedure compared to the waxing of the face. We are done with the procedure. Now we'll do the cleaning part. You can look, there is no redness or there is no erythema, means there is no burning or any pain for the patient, and patient is highly comfortable, and this will be same procedure for everyone.